Right here we have 2023, 2022, 2021, and 2020 Platinum Awards. So yeah, we hang these up. These are right behind my desk, and I love it. My kids come up and say, "Dad, what is that?" And I say, "That's freedom, guys. That is freedom." Some of the best benefits, really, I have a rep that I can reach out to anytime, and they're super responsive to me. Probably the best thing that I've loved, though, is the events. When you guys hold a Platinum event and invite the Platinum members to it, I'm there. I'm there every single time. It's one of the best things because you're there with people who are action takers and are doers, people that have products, or maybe they're an affiliate, and it's the people that I like to network with. And I always go to these events and get a ton of value, and I always walk away with deals because there's always somebody there that I'm promoting them, they're promoting me, someone that I didn't know existed. And there's people from all walks of life that are in different niches that I never knew about, but there's always people that are like-minded like you that have accomplished this and even more that you'll learn from, that you'll get to network with. I mean, it's the event that I go to every year. Is it worth getting platinum? Heck yes, it's worth getting platinum. Go out and do it, get it.